Crafting coconut flour pancakes is a lesson in patience and texture. Because coconut flour is grain-free and highly absorbent, the making focuses on the transformation from a liquid batter into a delicate, fluffy cake. Visually, we want to highlight the organic textures, the powdery softness of the flour, the richness of the eggs, and the slow, golden sizzle on the griddle. Part A. The ingredients. To start our healthy coconut flour pancakes, you will need 1 4-cup coconut flour, 4 large eggs, 1 4-cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, a tablespoon of honey, 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Part B. Instructions. Step 1. Mixing dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, whisk together your coconut flour, baking powder, and salt. Coconut flour is very absorbent, so make sure these dry ingredients are well combined to avoid clumps. Step 2. Mixing wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, melted coconut oil, and honey until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Step 3. Combining and resting. Now, pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Whisk vigorously until the batter is smooth. Now, here is the secret. Let the batter rest for 5 minutes. It will thicken as the flour absorbs the moisture. Step 4. Heating the pan. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Remember, coconut flour pancakes can burn easily, so keep the heat low and steady. Step 5. The pour and cook. Pour about a 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side. They are more delicate than traditional pancakes, so flip them carefully once the edges are set and golden. Step 6. Serving. Serve your pancakes warm, stacked high with fresh fruit and a drizzle of syrup. Enjoy these light, fluffy, gluten-free treats.